Hello and welcome to these maths tutorials with TB Maths. In this video, we will be looking at gradients of straight lines. The gradient of a straight line describes the slope or steepness of the line, where the gradient value is given by change in y divided by change in x. The word change is often given the symbol for the lowercase Greek letter delta. To work out the gradient of a line, firstly select 2 points on the line. Then draw a right-angled triangle between the points using the line as the hypotenuse. Next, measure the height and width of the triangle. Finally, calculate the gradient by dividing the height by the width. In this example, the gradient is 5 divided by 2, which is 2.5. Question: what is the gradient of this line? Feel free to pause the video before the answer is shown. The gradient is 1 divided by 4, which is 0.25. A gradient can be positive or negative, depending on its slope from left to right. This line has a positive gradient because when moving from left to right along the x-axis, the y values increase. This line has a negative gradient because when moving from left to right along the x-axis, the y values decrease. Question: what is the gradient of this line? Feel free to pause the video before the answer is shown. The gradient is -3 divided by 4, which is -0.75. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have found it useful, please like and subscribe to see more content.